Hi, I'm Sakib and I'm hosting a session on urban farming with Pitaara Immersive. I will teach you how to grow your own food and how to connect with nature, how to connect with soil. In this course, you can learn to do urban farming and how to design your kitchen garden placement, and composting, microgreens, pest management. This is my microgreens and this is my reddish microgreens and this is my compost bin where I'm making my black gold. This is my everyday kitchen waste and this is all final compost. Okay, I look forward to see you. मिलते हैं. Bye.